The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern McIntosh County in southeastern Oklahoma, central Muskogee County and east central Oklahoma, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles north of Lake Eufaula State Park, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
What
This is
the?
a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Shakota, Oaktown, HA, Council Hill, Rentiesville, Lake Eufaula State Park, Pierce, Anapa. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 253 and 275. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.